News coming in of the father of the accused, Rajesh, has now been suspended from the Shinde Sena, faction, and he has been suspended from his party post.
All right, so that's the breaking update we are getting at this point. Rajesh Shah being suspended from his party. He was a member, he was a functionary of Eknath Shinde Sena. Now, the breaking update is that he has in fact been suspended. He's been taken off from the party as a result of course, this incident, because he was arrested, he was granted bail. However, as per police, he was aiding and abetting the crime because he wanted to protect his son. There were multiple conversations that happened between Rajesh Shah and Mihir Shah post the accident. In fact, according to police, Rajesh had asked Mihir to, sort of leave the spot, to escape from there. He had asked him, where to sort of go and hide himself, and which is what was done by Mihir and his other family members. Rajesh Shah was arrested just for a day, after which he was granted bail. But the breaking update is that he has in fact been taken off, suspended, or rather he's no more member of Eknath Shinde Sena. So that's the action. Of course, Eknath Shinde Sena had been coming under flak as a result of this. There have been a lot of political reactions, especially from the opposition, over government's role in this, because there had been talks about how government perhaps has been trying to protect the son of Rajesh Shah, which is why perhaps there had been delay in action. But now some sort of action being taken by Eknath Shinde Sena. He's been removed from the party, and now remains to be seen what other action will be taken in the coming days, as Mihir Shah will also be produced before the court today.
Right, Radhika, many questions were being raised as to how did he get bail in a matter of 24 hours when his son continued to be on the run. And while the driver was still in the custody of the police, and the driver was a poor man, it was the father who was asking the driver to actually take the fall for his son. And, they switched sides, and that is when they finally did stop that BMW car, which had that lady on the bonnet for 1.5 kilometers.
That's right. Disturbing details emerging as far as the sequence of events of that day is concerned. The CCTV visuals, in fact, as per the police, show that, the woman was dragged for more than 1 kilometer, and then Mihir switched seats with the driver. Then driver reversed and then ran her over again. They did not stop the vehicle. They did not stop to see, what her condition was. They did not bother to take her to the hospital. They just drove off. So, which is why several people, including family members, have been demanding strictest action, and that this shouldn't be a culpable homicide not amounting to murder, but it should be tried as a murder case itself, as there were deliberate attempts to leave from that spot without helping the victim and then escaping for 3 days. So therefore, as far as the case is concerned, there are details emerging of how there was, attempts to destroy evidence, how the Eknath Shinde party sticker was taken off from the car, how the number plate was, put inside the car, and then cars were changed, and then he left the spot, went to another district itself, and then later was spotted at Virar through technical evidence, through phone records, and obviously phone location is when they could trace where.
For the benefit of our viewers, take us through how far was that resort that they went to, called Shahpur, that resort in Shahpur, and how far is Virar safe from where they stay in Mumbai? Right, so of course it is the Shinde Sena that is finally acting on the behest of so many demands that are being made, whether it is the Uddhav Thackeray faction, whether it's the Congress party, all asking for justice, and saying that this is not a hit and run case, calling it a murder. At last the Shinde Sena government has taken action, and after 3 days the party finally takes this action, where they have finally suspended Rajesh Shah of the party. Do remember, it is Rajesh Shah who's the father, who had try to help in the case in terms of his son to get away from there. He did ask the driver to take the fall for his son. The driver is behind bars. Rajesh Shah, who was taken into custody, was in custody only for 24 hours before he managed to get bail in the case. Radhika, for the sake of our viewers, take us through the kind of distance there is from, say, the residence where Rajesh Shah and his family live to that place in Shahpur where they went, and then from there to Virar. How long, what is the kind of distance, and how did they manage to dodge the police through it all?
As far as the distance is concerned, I'll just explain the sequence of events post the accident. Post the accident, the driver was, in fact, the car was abandoned in Bandra East by Mihir Shah. Post which Mihir Shah, in fact, called his father multiple times. He was obviously panicking. He did not know what to do, and he was trying to destroy the evidence as well. He did not help the victim. He was panicking along with the driver. They were calling the father asking him to abandon the car in Bandra East and then asking him to leave for another place. So therefore, after the accident, Mihir Shah went to his female friend's house in Goregaon, and in the meantime, his father tried to tow away the vehicle. His father, along with the driver, tried to tow away the vehicle which was in Bandra East. I believe, the demolition action is going to continue, but I'll just continue with what I was saying and then show you once the action continues. And post which, of course, after Goregaon, he went to Borivali. Mihir Shah went to Borivali, and then with his family members, which is his sisters and mother, left for Shahpur. This is all as per instructions of his father Rajesh Shah, who was immediately arrested while he was trying to tow away the car. And from Shahpur, he went to Virar, and through phone traces, in fact, phone location is when they could trace his location in Shahpur as well as in Virar. In Virar, he was found in a hotel along with his friend where he was caught. Not much of a distance, a couple of hours, of course, from Mumbai to all of these places. Virar is in the suburbs, not too far from Borivali where he was, but he did travel all the way to Shahpur and then come back to Virar from where he was caught. Of course, he will be produced before the court today.